A lot of people don't know what actually GoPro is. I mean, they think it's just a GoPro. This is another GoPro camera. GoPro is actually a action camera. That means it made for capture insane action movement. That could be capturing up to 5.2K resolution video while you are riding at more than 100 km per hour, or that could be capturing up to 5.2K cinematic video while you are swimming underwater, or that could be shooting at extreme slow motion video while you are in action, or that could be a very crisp live streaming while you are gaming. Well, this GoPro Hero 10 can do all of this. So this camera should be durable, waterproof, have great battery life, and also have extremely good video quality. This GoPro Hero 10 is almost the best action camera. There are something you need to know before you buy this camera. We will talk about this in a minute. But first, let's unbox the package. I like this bag. The quality of this bag is really good. But it should have one strip for carry. Okay, inside we can see some papers that should be user manual. Now let's check what else we have without camera. It's a charger. You can charge two batteries in the same time with USB-C. That's great. Then we have some accessories, and we have two extra battery. That means we have total 3 battery. And we have some accessory to attach camera anywhere. Finally, we have the camera. Okay, now let's talk about design and look. This is compact, durable, waterproof, and cute looking device. The best thing of this design is it is easily pocketable. It will fit in any jeans or any pocket, but the thing you will notice instantly is its weight. It's heavy and it feels heavy. You will get one shutter button on the top and one mode button on the side. Also, it have USB-C for charging and data transfer, and a light indicator for security. At the bottom of the camera, you will get two things to use all of your accessories. That's called folding finger, and it also has a speaker at the bottom. And sound quality of this speaker is good enough, not the best, just okay to preview your video. At the front, you will get 23.6 megapixel sensor and a preview display. Okay, now let's talk about the display. You will get 2.27 inch display in back and 1.4 inch display at the front. Both of them is IPS, and this is not the best quality. This is okay just for preview your video. It just works. The main display is touch sensitive and it's enough responsive. Now let's talk about the main thing, which is camera. You will get 23.6 megapixel main sensor. You can record up to 5.2K resolution video or 4K 60 FPS. Slow motion video coming from this camera is just 240 FPS, and you can get more slowest video from a smartphone camera. But the slow motion quality coming from this camera is really great. You can trust this camera. No matter where the sun is or what the light condition is, you will always get very good video. One thing I noticed while recording video, it feels uncomfortable. I mean, if you try to record without any accessories, just in hand, it feels uncomfortable. In terms of video quality, you will get very good quality video, very sharp and extremely good dynamic range. I mean, video coming from this camera is look like iPhone's video quality, and no matter where you are, where the sun is and from where the light coming from, you will get extremely good video quality. You might be get shocked, but this camera can take really good photo. Just look at this photo, and also this camera takes a bit contrasty video, which looks really good. In low light, the video performs well, but noise reduction was very good. You could not see many noise in the video. The microphone quality is another really important thing in action camera, and the microphone quality in this camera is pretty good. You can trust on this microphone, but you need a microphone if you are a bike rider and you are trying to record video in very windy situation. The recording process is very easy. Just press on the shutter button, it will start automatically. Doesn't matter your camera is on or off. Then when you finish your recording, just press the shutter button again, it will stop recording and turn off automatically. And another button you will get on the side is the mode button. You can switch between 3 modes, and this is very easy to switch. When you are on the go, just press on the button, it will switch between 3 modes. But one thing I didn't like about this is these buttons are really hard to press. Now let's talk about the feature. Number 1, this camera can record up to 240 fps video, and of course that's not top of the line, but videos coming from this camera is really good. Number 2, this camera is waterproof, so you can shoot video while you are swimming. Number 3, it has 3 stabilization mode. Each of them are very stable, but if you need more stable footage, for example if you are running and you need more stable video, then you can use hyper smooth stabilization, and this mode makes the footage really stable. You can see the difference between hyper smooth mode and my phone while running. Number 4, it has USB Type-C for data transfer and charging. For transferring your data, you can also use mobile app, so you can directly wirelessly transfer your data, and this process is really smooth. Number 5, you can also use it as a webcam. Now let's talk about the battery life. This camera don't have very good battery life. We started video recording at 1080p 60 fps and we just got around 1 hour recording time, which is not really good because we recorded it at 1080p 60 fps and it have option to record up to 5.2K and 4K. So you need to carry another battery for recording long journey, but without the battery life, everything else on this camera is awesome. Now, should you buy this? Yes, of course. Just keep it in mind, you need extra battery to capture long journey. This camera has one of the best video quality on external camera, and this is really durable, waterproof. Also, it has almost every feature you need, so of course you can buy this. You can comment your experience with this camera. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button.